today we'll be changing a inline duct furnace. It's a job that kind of fell in our laps last minute, so hopefully we get it done today. These poor people haven't had heat in a while, I guess. So, yep, that's what we're doing. We're changing the inline duct furnace, making some duct connections. Got to repipe it, rewire it. And I guess the controls are quite a bit different because the unit's kind of really old. So that's today's job. Right now, heading up to the job site. It's only, I guess it's considered the next town up from where we are here in Lindenhurst, New York. So right now I'm sitting in traffic, as we seem to always do here in New York. Well, on Long Island here anyway. So I'm heading up, I'm meeting my co-worker, and he's been up there for a little while, I guess. So we will see what we can do. Hopefully we get it done today. If not, first thing tomorrow. So yeah, that is what today's gonna be like. So the deal is, because we're reversing the airflow on this plate has to come out and actually go on the other side to restrict the amount of air coming into this duct furnace. So that's what we're gonna do now. So we've flipped the baffle around to this side. Looks the same, but that's what it had to be. So it'll come in the other side, it'll come out this side, be restricted, all good to go.
Shut up and sit down.